Prof, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Prof, good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir. What are you people drinking?
This is Freshio. Freshio is back.
Yes, sir. Freshio is back.
That's nice. Mark Angel, I heard you just won the YouTube Gold Award. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you people are really trying,
Thank you, sir. It's God, though. It's God that is doing everything for us, sir.
Yes, sir. It's God.
God? Which God?
Our God.
Your God. Where is your God?
Our God is in heaven.
Can you see your God?
No.
Can you touch your God?
No.
Then there is no God. Science has proven it that anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So you don't have a God.
What, sir?
Shh. Are you a graduate? I am a professor.
Processor. Excuse me. How do you know there is no God?
Common sense. I use my sense.
Where is your sense?
My sense is up here.
Can you see your sense?
No.
Can you touch your sense?
No.
That means there is no sense.
Yes.
Because according to science, anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So you don't have sense.
Emanuela. Thanks for watching that very funny Makanji comedy. See you next Friday.
Freshio drinking yogurt is back.
That's an advert.
That is not good talk. Don't cut that, Leave it. I'm not going to pay my school fees.
Problem.